Let's take a look at the next review problem. How many digits are there in the representation of 2 to the 100th power if we use base 2? Well, the answer is going to be 101 for base 2. The reason is because, just think about it this way, 2 to the first in base 2 is going to be written 10 in base 2. 2 to the second is written as 100 in base 2. 0th power, first power, second power. And so by the same argument, 2 to the 100 will be written as a 1 in the 2 to the 100th place, followed by 100 different zeros, base 2. And so the answer is 101 digits. Okay, now let's take a look about base 8. 2 to the 100th can be written as 2 times 2 to the 99th. And the reason we write it like that is because 99 is a multiple of 3. So 2 times 2 to the third to the 33rd power, or 2 times 8 to the 33rd. And so if I were to write 2 to the 100 in base 8, there would be a digit of 2 in the 8 to the 33rd spot, followed by 33 zeros, base 8. So this would be 8 to the 0, 8 to the first, 8 to the second, up to 8 to the 32nd, and then 8 to the 33rd would have a 2 digit. So this way it would be 34 digits. Finally, base 16. Well, 2 to the 100 is equal to 2 to the 4th to the 25th power, which is 16 to the 25th, or 1 times 16 to the 25th. And so therefore, if I wrote 2 to the 100th in base 16, there would be a 1 in the 16 to the 25th spot. There would be a 0 for the 16 to the 24th, 0 for the 16 to the 23rd, and so on, down to 16 to the 0. So this would be 26 digits, where the only non-zero digit appears in the 16 to the 25th spot.